Hello, good morning. This is the next continuation question in chapter 11, Applied Mathematics, Time-Based Data. Take a look at the problem. In an influenza epidemic, the number of cases diagnosed were, so date 1, in first date, the numbers are 2. In date 2, numbers are 0. Date 3, numbers are 5. Date 4, numbers are 12. Date 5, numbers are 20. 6, 27, 7, 46, 8, 30, 9, 31, 10, 18, 11, 11, 12, 5, and 13, 0, and 14, 1. So calculate 3-day moving averages and display them and the original figures on the same graph. So let's solve step by step this question. First, we will create as date, write down second column, numbers, third column, 3 years moving total. Next, write down 3 years moving average. Date 1, numbers are 2. So make a line for each value. Later, otherwise we can't identify the particular specific data. So that's why please make each data value separated by the lines. First consider 3 data points, 3, 5. So now for these 3 values, identify the middle number. Of course, the second one is the middle number for these 3 values. Okay. So sum these numbers like this. 2 plus 0 plus 5. 2 plus 0 plus 5 is 7. And average, for average, what we will do? We will calculate 7 by 3. 7 by 3 is 2.33. For 1, there is no moving total and moving average. For 2, we have 3 years moving total is 7. And moving average, 3 years moving average value 2.33 for 2. Understood this one? And next 4. For the value 4, we have 12. For getting first number, so round the first one and take the next 3 and do the same procedure. So 0 plus 5 plus 12, which is 17. And 17 by 3, 5 3s are 15.66. After getting second number, round the second value in numbers, okay? And then take entry for the, or enter the next numbers. Next data values 5, x value 5, 6, 7 up to 14 dates. So what is the value of 5? How many numbers entered? 20. Again, create 3 numbers like this. These making arrows will help you to calculate easily. 5 plus 12 plus 20. So 17 plus 20, 37. Now for average, 37 by 3. This is 36. 12 3s are 36.133. After getting third value, so make a round of the third number. That means we are not taking that rounded value. After 5, for 6 it is 27. So 12 plus 20 plus 27 equal to 47. 47, 59. 47 plus 12, 59. So this 59 upon 3. One time 20. 27, 29, 27, 9 3s are 27, 6, 6. So after getting this fourth value, round up the next continuation number. After 6, we can enter 7. For 7, it was 46. 20 plus 27 plus 46. 20, 27, 47. 47 plus 46, 13, 8, 9, 93. So 93 by 3, which is 31. So after getting that, make a round of the fifth value. Next for 8, it is 30. So 27 plus 46 plus 30. 27 plus 46 is how much? 57 plus 46, 13, 9, 10, 103. So 103 by 3, 3, 13, 4 3s are 12.33. So after getting the value, don't forget, you should round the numbers. It will make you properly to solve the question. Next for 9, 31. 46 plus 30 plus 31. 30, 31, 61, 61, 46, 7, 107, and 107 by 3. So 3 threes are 9, 17, 5 threes are 15, 6, 6. So after getting the average value, so every time you should make a round of one value from the top side. 10 was 18, 10th day, 18 patients is there. And select next 3. So 30 plus 31 plus 18, 30, 31, 61, 61, 18, 79. So 79 out of 3, 2 threes are 6, 19, 6 threes are 18.33. And then round the value and moving to the next number. For 11, we have 11. For 12, 5. For 13, 13, 0, 14, 1. Next, 31 plus 18 plus 11. 31, 8, 9. 9, 49, 49, 11, 60. So 60 by 3 is 20. So round the number. And then next select the 3 values. 18, 11, 29. 29, 5, 34. 34 by 3, 11.33. Round the value. Next select 3. So this is 16. 16 by 3 is 5.33. Round the number. And next select next 3, which is 6. And 6 by 3 is 2. So last value, it's not exist. Look at the first and the last values cannot exist. Now we will make a graph for this, identify the, so also he mentioned, look at, he mentioned that last figures on the same graph, they said, okay. So let's create graph values. So X values around 14 we should consider. So try to create the graph in the entire one page. A complete page will be given to make a graph. So on X-axis, first value, first column will be on X-axis, date. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So there will be 45, 10, 15, 20, 25, 35, 40, 45. So for 1, the values are 2, 0, 5, 2, 0, 5. For 1, it is 2. For 2, 0. For 3, it is 5, 2, 0, 5. 12, 20, 27. 12, 20, 12, 20, 27. 46, 30, 31. 46. 30, 31. 18, 11, 5, 0, 1. This is real data. And next we will create trend values. 2.33 for 2, 5.66. Always trend line will be a dotted line. 12.33, 19.66, 31, 34.33, 35.66, 26.33, 20, 1.33, 5.33, 13.2. This is trend line. So in this way, you can make a graph for this question.